Hey everyone, we're here in Burbank, California. Just finished nice retaining wall, vinyl fence on top. Starting the pavers, continue the retaining wall with the vinyl fence on top. Pavers, elevated. We have a nice pool here. We did white plaster, pavers with bullnose around it. What do we have here? Hey James!
Hello!
Tell us a little bit what was here before and how it looks now, and are you a happy customer?
There was dirt, about 3 different levels of concrete, all cracked up, plaster pool that was missing most of the plaster. And now it's just a really easy place to entertain, have the kids run around, not worried about falling down. Drainage away from the house instead of towards the house.
Nice lights.
Nice lights, easy at night, safe for everybody, and just a really awesome pool.
The pool looks amazing. Backyard looks good. James is happy. The boss is happy. How was the experience working with Green Advisor? Owen, Shai, Carlos, the guys.
Yeah, everyone was top.
Don't lie.
Everyone was top notch the whole entire time. Yeah, attention to detail. Any adjustments easily made on the fly, quickly. Everything was smooth. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.